With successful piloted vertical takeoff and landing wing-borne flights in Dubai, Joby Aviation marks the beginning of its commercial market readiness efforts in the region and positions the company for potential passenger services by late 2025 or early 2026. The flights were conducted in partnership with Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority, and the UAE General Civil Aviation Authority. The company has already begun constructing vertiports near Dubai International Airport, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, and downtown Dubai, with the goal of introducing its commercial service in these areas. The vertiport at Dubai International Airport is on track for completion by Q1 2026. Joby's partnership with Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority grants Joby exclusive rights to operate air taxis in Dubai for 6 years. CEO Joe Benbevert emphasized that the United Arab Emirates is a launchpad for a global revolution in transportation, and the company's efforts in Dubai are a significant step toward making clean, quiet, and fast air travel a reality. Other than its Dubai operations, Joby plans to launch its air taxi services in the U.S., specifically in Los Angeles and New York City, in partnership with Delta Air Lines and Uber. With over 40,000 miles of flight testing and successful piloted transition flights, Joby continues to advance toward its goal of making electric air taxis a reality. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.